Morning, third grade. Welcome to Problem of the Day. Jackson paid a total of $16 for 8 pairs of water shoes. If Jackson paid the same amount for each pair, how much money did each pair of water shoes cost? So the key words here are that Jackson paid the same amount for each pair, meaning all 8 pairs of shoes that he bought cost the same amount of money. So if he paid $16 total, if you were to divide that up by the 8 pairs of shoes that he bought, how much did each pair cost? However, the easier way to think about this is if you were to flip it and think of it kind of backwards to turn it into a multiplication problem. So in order to do that, I'm going to say, well, I'm going to buy 8 pairs of shoes times how much do they cost in order to equal $16. And I'm leaving off that dollar sign for now, and I'm just using the 16, but I'll bring the dollar sign back at the very end. So I need an answer that will fit on this line and on this line and be true on both lines. So only one answer. So I'm going to use the multiplication line because for me that way is easier in my brain to think about. So 8 times what equals 16? I could skip count or I could use multiplication chart. For this one, I'm going to skip count. So 8, 16, and I already got to 16, and that was 2 fingers up. So I'm going to write a 2 on this blank line and a 2 over here. And now I'm going to check that both lines are true. 8 times 2 is 16. That is true. So I'm going to put a little check mark. And then over here, 16, like if I had 16 Skittles and I divided up into 8 groups, I would have 2 Skittles in each group. That is also true. But the easier way to think about that is 2 times 8 equals 16. If I just do it completely backwards, it's easier to check my work that way than to think about dividing. So I can kind of use this exact same fact here and just do it backwards to check it. So both of these are true, meaning that 2 is the correct answer. Now is where I bring the dollar sign back in. The answer isn't just 2, it's $2 because the question asked how much money did each pair cost? It's $2. So don't forget that dollar sign. However, your numbers are a little bit different. Jackson actually paid a total of $8. Good luck.